Related news, two entities have joined hands with the DepEd in preparing for the opening of classes this June. These are the Philippine Business for Education and Davies Paint Philippines Incorporated. Again, here's Dina Pagibitan.
The Department of Education signed two memoranda of agreement in connection with the coming school year. One such MOA was with the Philippine Business for Education, which seeks to provide 1,000 professional and qualified teachers for public schools.
We're happy that PBED has focused on teachers, because at the end of the day, we can have all the classrooms and toilets and textbooks and even computers. Unless we have quality teachers, then nothing will really work.
A second agreement was with Davies Paint Philippines Incorporated. Davies will provide colors through 75 paint gallons to specific schools in Metro Manila.
I am sure colors will bring in more than just visual effects for kids. I am sure there is something deeper, a deeper message that we will communicate. It's simple, that gagawin namin kasama ang private sector ang lahat para pangalagaan ang ating mga kabataan.
The MOA with Davies Paint is in line with the Brigada Eskwela that will be held on May 20 to 25. This is the 10th year of the Brigada Eskwela, a nationwide voluntary effort of teachers, parents, students, community, and organizations to do minor repairs and cleanups on their schools in preparation for the opening of classes.
At ito'y pang-10 taon na ng Brigada Eskwela. Sana naman ay naitanim na sa mga isip at puso ng ating mga kababayan. Hindi lang ng mga DepEd, kasi ang Brigada Eskwela, yung buong komunidad, no? Na taon-taon pala kailangan tayong maglinis, mag-ayos, magkumpuni, para hindi lumaki ang ating ang mga sira sa ating mga eskwelahan.
Meanwhile, Secretary Luis Rojas has an appeal to winners in the just concluded elections.
Kapag sa election ay magsama-sama naman ngayon sa iisa nating hangarin na linisin natin ang ating mga eskwelahan, ang ating bayan, at kumpunihin natin kung ano yung sira. Hindi lamang sa mga classroom, kundi pati na rin sa ating lipunan.
For People's Television, Dina Pagibitan.